this wasn't in the brochure. Hello? Anybody home? Okay. Quarantine corridor to the lifeguard tower. Nope, must be some kind of emergency lockdown. So, where's the override? I'm in. Oh, of course the override needs a code. Oh, man. So, the officer of the day had the code. There's a duty roster. Huh. The officer of the day should have been Hicks. Now I get to play Guess That Corpse. Okay. Hicks's lockdown code is the first 2 digits of his birthday, middle 2 of his lucky number, and the last 2 of his dog tag. Huh. And apparently he had the shits. Okay, the dog tags. Got the whole code.
Gotcha. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, come on. Here we go again.
In the airlock. Identify yourself.
Hello? I'm Ryan. Who's this?
This is Warrant Officer Rodriguez. You should turn around, dumbass. That corridor is not secure. But it's your funeral.
Well, nice to meet you, too. Oh, come on, seriously? And actually, a squad of soldiers sounds pretty good. Whoa, well, you really don't want any company, do you, Rodriguez? No shouts, no running boots. Where are they all? Okay, still, no one comes? This is weird. Look at this!
Are you trying to get killed?
I do wonder.
You always do the opposite of what you're told?
Hey, I thought there'd be a platoon of soldiers up here.
Stupid. Well, lesson learned.
So why all the secrecy?
Just shut up, okay? Right now, you are sand in my grease. There's two ways this goes. You make yourself useful, or my boot propels your ass back where it came from.
Yeah, you see, the thing is, being useful might hurt more. You gotta offer me something.
Right. How about some genuine US Army gear? Finest in the world. Or so they tell us.
Okay. I'm interested.
Then listen up. I got a hole in my defenses. Thuppets keep coming from the pits out back, and contrary to rumor, I'm particular about exposing my rear.
Can't say I was. But, okay. So, how am I gonna deal with the pits?
Fire. Burn them all. towards the shoreline. You'll see the pits.
Yep, that is a death pit. Certain irony to my costume choice here.
Oh, it's like trying to burn a giant slug.
I will give my left nut for a cold one.
Quite the fire starter, aren't ya?
It's not really on brand, but yeah.
That acid gunk was a waste of time. Should have burnt them from the get-go.
Hey, they were all soldiers in those pits.
No, they were enemy combatants. And that's why you can't fight a conventional war.
Well, this one's down to the scientists.
I already got science on my team. And you should leave before you change sides. No way you're not infected.
I'm immune. How else do you think I'm still me?
Immune? I heard they were looking. You might be more useful than I thought.
I could use some backup. You'd be serving your country for sure.
This horde has to stay contained. I won't be leaving. But here's your paycheck. Hey, you're not serious about going to Ocean Avenue, right? It's suicide to even try.
Great, but I got no choice.
Well, if you and are going, I can trade you some things. You'll need everything you can carry. lie. Tough beyond this gate.
Hey, I've done middle-aged bachelorette parties. If I can survive those.
Well, if anyone can, you can.
Hello, ladies. I'm the big hose. Touching next.
Thank you, ladies. I am spent. Tips and room keys in the fireman's helmet, please.
Now, Dr. Reed, Serling Hotel. Ocean Avenue. Almost there. Oh, quiet is good. Serling Hotel. This is it.
Okay, zombies, you're in my way. You gotta go.
Don't suppose there's a burger joint in here. Hallelujah, I actually made it.
Whoa, I'm here to see Dr. Reed.
Oh, you are, huh? You're not here to eat us then?
Think I've turned vegetarian.
Comedian, huh? They look human to you.
So.
Well, okay then. Humans can be redeemed. Don't need to waste a bullet on this one. Hey, keep up the good work, Denise. Hey, I'm Dr. Reed, but you can call me Ruben. Let's talk in my office.
We spoke on the radio about the vaccine.
Hey, shh. Walk with me. I'm glad you made it. Really glad, but we gotta keep your specialness on the down low. If you really are what we've been looking for, then CDC's gonna want to talk to you. So,
Doctor, he doesn't want to take his shot.
hey, Luther. Hey, don't worry. It's just gonna pinch a bit. Let's keep walking. Where was I?
CDC's gonna...
CDC. Right. The CDC's gonna... Hey, I told you to stay off that foot. You want me to cut it off? Come on. Hey, come this way, huh? Now. So glad you're here. Now they're gonna send a chapter to pick you up and take you to Colorado. Just you. So, I don't want my people here getting hope when they got none. You understand?
Nice to feel wanted. What about all the rest of you?
Oh, we'll be okay. Fall over 9 times and you get up 10. That's what I always say. But you got a miracle in your blood. If we can get you to Colorado, humanity has a chance.
Okay. So, when does the chopper arrive?
Well, I need to let them know you're here first, and then
We're out of food. We need to sweep those apartments before someone else cleans them
No,
out.
Tisha. we gotta put that on hold. This person here is our new priority.
Hey, I'm Ryan.
They're more important than people starving?
Yeah, kind of. I can't really talk about it right now, but...
That's fine. Look, you stay here. I'm gonna go with these guys. We'll be back soon.
Hey, you do not go outside without me. They can handle it.
Hey, Doc, you know we ran out of food. What's the plan?
Dad! I am not a little girl anymore. I have to do my share.
Yeah, obviously you've lost your mind. There are terrorists out
just
there
let her
that
go,
you...
Doc. She wants to be part of the team.
Jimmy, I am talking to my daughter.
I'm
okay?
sick of talking. Jimmy's right. I need to do something.
After all that's happened, you think I'm gonna let you out of my sight?
Oh,
Huh? I'm gonna let you turn into one of them like your mother? Oh. Tisha, I'm sorry, but I can't lose you two.
You're right, Dad. I shouldn't put this on you. It's not fair.
Well, okay then. Come on.
See you later.
Yeah. Yeah, this is no place for human beings.
Hey, Doc, a word of advice. You want to stay top dog? You let your daughter take her chances just like everyone else.
Jimmy, I have got enough things to be focusing on without your bullshit.
Sure. Yeah. I'm gonna go for a smoke.
Yeah, you do that.
Fuck you looking at?
Your shirt. Brave choice.
Like, I need to radio CDC, but I don't want to draw too much attention to you, so... Look, you make yourself at home, and I should have some good news soon.
Sure.
Okay?
I'm gonna crash. I am totally whacked. And then I woke up, and it was all a dream.
He's not there. Someone got sick. I need to tell him about Bob.
Will Ruben be back soon?
Fucking better be. Bob's taking way too long.
Who's Bob?
Janitor for this place. If you tried taking a shower, you'd know the water's out. Bob went to get it back on.
I could take a look while I'm waiting?
Are my ears working? Did someone just offer to help out? That would be great. We won't last long without fresh water. Bob was headed for the janitor's office, downstairs behind the stores.
Okay, I'll see what happened. Got it. So, looks like the main valve is in the boiler room off the basement parking lot. Guess Bob went there. Better clear these out so I can get Bob back safely. Okay, where are you, Bob?
Yes!
Sorry, Bob. I'll finish the job for you, okay? Ooh, maybe I do need a shower. Bob won't be coming back.
I figured.
But I got the water back on.
Oh yeah? That helps. A lot. You know, there's plenty of other folks missing. A whole bunch of them on the notice board over there.
Maybe I'll take a look.
Ruben's back in his office. You wanted him, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Jamal, security guard at the Halperin Hotel.
Want a trade? Trade for some of America's finest on the flame.
Hey, Ruben.
Hey, there you go. Now keep the eyes shut. 12 hours. No light, okay?
Good news then?
Not really. The CDC isn't calling the shots anymore. The military have taken command, and they won't extract you until they have proof of your immunity.
What the fuck?
They're just so paranoid about the virus escaping from LA. They know they can't contain it as that, but we have to test you. But my equipment is at the CDC HQ by Santa Monica Pier.
And I was looking forward to a drink at the bar. Okay, I'll go.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think you should go alone.
It's okay. I am immune. I can look after myself. Hey, we fell over. We have to get up again, right?
Right.
Tell them I'll be back. With proof.
Enjoy the fresh air out there. Mike?
Hello? This is Hannah again, one of the Bobcats. You there?
Hannah, it's Ryan. Rav make it back okay?
Rav's back here, yeah. He's holed up in the garage, producing gross smells with zombie flesh and caustic accent and giggling to himself.
More power to him.
You were so helpful with him that I was wondering if you could go find another of my homicidal little ducklings at Monarch Studios.
You are in luck. I've had a late cancellation. Standard rates apply.
Appreciate it. Bozzy went to Soundstage 5 to raid some sort of cutting-edge pyrotechnics setup that a film student was raving about. Bored the rest of us to tears, but Boz got all psyched up about it.
Hey, if it explodes zombies, I am on board.
Said he was stuck last time he checked in. Sounded kind of embarrassed, which means he's probably in a lot more trouble than he's admitting.
Things do kinda escalate fast out here. I'll find him.
Welcome back.
She already cleaned me out. I know what you are. I know what you are.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I just heard all the ruckus. You okay? You need some help?
Help! That's what she... You're here to steal just like her. Ha! Next thing you'll say is that I can trust you too.
Wait, what are you talking about? Someone stole from you?
Denise! She came in when I wasn't here. Bennett, and she can't do that. That's wrong.
Yeah. Stealing is wrong. You're right. What's your name?
Luther?
Okay, Luther. Well, I'm gonna talk to Denise and sort this out.
No, she wants that. She wants you to talk. Then she'll steal your teeth. And you won't even get a nickel. I'm not like her. My buddy Byron, he'll see you right.
Yeah, just stay calm. Everything's gonna be okay.
He was right here.